guys, welcome back to my channel. There's a fly, there's a fly. Let's start that again. What up? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this eye look here. I did my base and my brows in a separate video for you guys, so that is a more in-depth how-to with my base and my brows, so you can click on the link down below if you want to check that out. So I decided to do something a little bit more soft than I usually do, kept it a little bit more subtle. It could be a really nice date night look, or you can do this for every day, or it could just be a soft glam look that you want to do if you're going out. So yeah, without me rambling on for too long, if you want to see how I did this eyeshadow look, then keep on watching, guys. Mwah. Alright, so I've already done my base and my brows. I have another video of the base and the brows down below. You guys can click on the link and watch that one. It's a little bit more of a how-to. So now we're going to start with the eyeshadow. So I've already prepped my lids with my concealer, which was just the Tarte Shape Tape, and then I set it in place with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Super easy. That's all I do for a base. I very rarely use a eyeshadow base. But yeah, let's get started on the eyeshadow. And for the eyeshadow today, I'm going to pick up my Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. And the first shade I'm going to pick up is going to be the shade Birch, which is a really nice warm brown tone. And I'm going to pop that on with my Sigma Tapered Blending E40 brush. And I'm going to pop this in my crease and buff it upwards. So I'm doing a little bit of a V shape here and extending it out towards my temple slightly. Bringing it in through the crease. Just keep building that color and keep blending till you're happy with it. And now I'm going to do the other side. And the next shade I'm going to grab is going to be this one down here, which is Dystopian. I'm just going to take a tiny little bit of that on my Morphe M139 brush. And I just want to give a little bit more depth in the outer corner and a little bit in the crease. So I'm just going to start right in this outer corner here. Slowly build up that color. And then start to softly bring it in the crease. Just not bringing it as high as we went with the other shade. And then I'm just going to take that first brush that we used and just give a really soft little buff through the crease in here, just to make sure it's all nice and blended. And now I'm going to do the other side. And the last color I'm going to grab is going to be this one here, which is called Cinder, and I'm going to pop that on my lid with my MAC 239S brush and start popping it in the middle of the lid. Keeping it only on the lid, not going above the crease. I'm not really doing a cut crease with this, just putting it on the lid and bringing it into the inner corner. And I'm doing a little bit of patting just to make sure it's nice and blended. The same with the other side. I'm just going to grab the Morphe brush that we use for the darker shade and just give it a blend on the outer edges. And just to blend underneath, I'm going to grab the Birch shade again with my MAC 217S brush. So it's like the normal 217, but it is a bit flatter. So I'm just going to grab that and smoke out the bottom very softly. And now I'm going to put a little bit of white eyeliner on my waterline. This one is just the MAC Fascinating Eye Kohl. Just a little bit of white in there to really open the eyes up. And now I'm just going to put a coat of mascara on, and I'm just going to use my favorite IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And for lashes, I'm going to grab my Tarte lashes in the shade Girl Boss. These are amazing. They're not too dramatic, which is good. I want to keep this look quite soft. And I'm going to pop that on with my Tarte lash glue and my lash applicator. If you guys hear a weird, moany, windy sound, it's like so windy outside right now that it's coming through my window making that really creepy noise. So that's what that sound is. Get on up close and personal with you guys. I've tried this glue before, so we're going to see how this glue goes and how quick it takes to dry. Alright, so now the lashes are on. That was a bit of a mission with my hands not being as strong as they usually are. I've decided I want to put a little bit of inner corner highlight. So I'm just going to grab the highlighter I used before for my base, which was the Emery-Z highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm just going to grab my BH Cosmetics number 10 brush, just a little nice pointed pencil brush, and pop a bit of this in the inner corner, just to give that little extra pop. And for lips, I'm going to grab my MAC lip pencil in the shade Subculture, and I'm just going to outline my lips. And then I'm going to grab my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy and pop that all over. I never used to be a lip gloss person, and now I'm obsessed. And last but not least, I'm going to set my face in place with my iconic London Prep Set and Glow Spray. This is just the darker golden one to give a nice dewy glow to my face. Oh, it smells so good. Alright, so that is the finished video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this eye look. I just wanted to keep something a little bit soft and subtle. I like doing a little bit of something different for a change. I've been doing a lot of color, so I thought I'll do something a little bit soft. So I hope you guys liked it. And don't forget, if you want to watch the how-to with my brows and my base, like my base, my perfect foundation, then I'll have the links provided below for you guys. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I always appreciate that you sit through my videos and listen to me talk. And don't forget, before we leave, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click that little button below and click the thumbs up as well. Give this video a like if you did like it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!